Okay, after creating the dashboard to show the reading of humidity and the temperature on the website here, now let's add two LED to control our LED. From the dashboard here, I bring out the button here, and we need two buttons, one which is for the on button and the other one which is for the off button. Of course, before we can edit this button, we need to create a tab first, because I need to assign the button here into the tab. So click on the tabs to create a new tabs and click on the edit. So I rename the tabs here, let's say lighting device, or sorry, bedroom. Let's make it bedroom. Okay, and click update. And on the bedrooms tab, I need to create a group. So I rename the group. Let's make it lighting devices. Lighting device. Okay. Now let's assign this button into the bedroom tab and into the lighting device group. Just double click to edit this one. Just choose the bedroom lighting and device. And now for the label, this one, it will be the on button. Okay, so just put it on, and when click here, you will see this part. When click send payload, let's make this one to booleans and set it to true. So meaning that when I click on this button, it will turn the LED on. And now we need one more button, so I just copy from this one. Okay, and double click to rename it, so I put it off. And on this part, on the payload here, just change this one from true to false. Okay, click on done. Okay, now we need to connect this button into our GPIO out. So on the Raspberry Pi here, just bring out the RPI GPIO out nodes, and I need to edit this one since my LED which is connected to the GPIO number 17. So I select GPIO number 17 and click on the done here. And now let's connect this one. Okay, after that we just click on the deploy. Okay, now let's go to our dashboard and click on this icon here and click on the bedroom tab, and we will see two buttons. One, take note, the group here is lighting device. Okay, just take a look at the LED here. When I press or when I click on the on button here, the LED will turn on, and when I click on the off button here, the LED will turn off. So this is how we design the button to control the LED. Okay, now let's add another LED, but this time we will use the switch. So on the dashboard tab here, click on the switch here, and after that we bring out the RPI GPIO pin here. For the switch here, we need to assign it to the tabs and to the group first. So just double click on this one, so I assign it to the bedroom lighting device, and this one it label as let's make it lighting 2. Lighting 2. Okay, or I just put it LED number 2. that's better. And just check on the payload here. When click send true, on payload which is true, and off payload which is false, and after that click on done. Okay, and for the GPIO here, I connect my LED to GPIO number 18 on the Raspberry Pi. So I just click on this one and click done. Now let's connect this one to our RPI GPIO out, and after that click on the deploy and go to the dashboard and click on the bedroom. Now you will see another button here. Okay, from the dashboard here we can see that there is a switch that we can press to turn on the LED, and we click to turn off the LED, and there's a button to turn on the red LED here, and now turn on both LED. Okay, turn off, and this one is turn off also. So that's how we design our dashboard.